Okay, the third type of problem. Okay, we're going to get rid of a number divided from our variable. Okay, to get rid of a number divided from our variable, we're going to do the opposite of divide. We're going to multiply it to both sides. Okay, so, and remember that fraction bar means division. Okay, so if I have b over 4 is equal to 8, okay, that really means, or could mean, b divided by 4 is equal to 8. So we want to find out what number divided by 4 will give us 8. Okay, we talked about how you may be able to do that in your head, okay, but I want you to understand these tricks of finding out the answer. Okay, so we have b divided by 4 is equal to 8. Since 4 is being divided, we're going to multiply it. And you guys remember that a multiply sign, sometimes we use a dot instead. Okay, sometimes we use a dot to mean multiplication. Okay, so to get rid of that divided 4, I'm going to multiply the left by 4. And I also have to multiply the right by 4. Maybe we should back up just a little bit. What if I had 3 halves times 1/3, and I wanted to cross-reduce that? Okay, remember cross-reducing whenever you multiply fractions? If you can divide like this number and this number by the same thing, you can. Okay, you can just take those 3's out. In that example, you can divide each of those by 3, and you're left with 2 1s. So it's kind of like those 3's just kind of cancel out. Well, what we're left with in this problem here is we have a multiplied 4 and a divided 4. Okay, those cancel out. Okay, so we are left with b on the left and 8 times 4 on the right. And 8 times 4 is 32. So b is equal to 32 is the solution to this equation. Okay, you could check it. I recommend you at least check these in your head, even if you don't go to the trouble of writing these all out. Okay, you could rewrite the equation. B divided by 4 is equal to 8. We just found out that b has to be 32. So we have 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. See, that's a true statement. 32 divided by 4 on the left is 8. Okay, 8 equals 8. Okay, that's a true statement. So 32 is the right solution to this problem. Okay, the next one, we have w divided by -2 equals 12. Okay, to get rid of a divided number, to get rid of the -2 that's being divided, we're going to multiply by -2, both sides. Okay, we're going to be left with w on the left, and on the right we have 12 times -2. Okay, remember when we multiply, if the signs are the same, it's a positive answer. If the signs are different, it's a negative answer. Okay, so in this problem, the signs are different. One's positive, one's negative. So it's -24. Okay, the third one, x divided by -5 is equal to -3. Get rid of the divided -5 by multiplying by -5. Okay, the -5's cancel on the left. We're left with x on the left. And on the right, we have a -3 times a -5. Okay, the signs are the same, right? Okay, the signs are the same because they're both negative. So that would equal a positive 15. On all 3 of these problems, okay, we had the variable divided by a number. To get rid of the divided number, we multiplied both sides by that number.